when we first came on, they came on board and they started this, the whole concept of Araish. And I have to say that each and every exhibition I have done really well, because and also being part of Save the Children is something that you want to do, because as a participant you feel that the money that you spend on being part of it goes into the right hands. I know the principal personally of the school, and we know that the money goes directly to the right people and to the right concern. And so it's a great feeling. It's a great exhibition, and I mean, and basically you do really well, and it's grown. I mean, when we started, it was quite small. I think there were few participants, but now it's grown, and there's a long waiting list. Even I have to sometimes say that, Sharmila tells me, tell me now, others you're off the list, And so now there's a waiting list and a lot of people trying to get in, because it's become so popular. And also the crowd that comes in, there's a certain, standard of people that come, and they come in hordes. I mean, it's great for us as a participant. And I wish them all the best, and I try to be in each and every Araish of them. I think I've been with them in every Araish. And I hope this one, Hyderabad, we've always done well. So we hope to have the same response on Monday as well.